Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we're talking about the Tron TRX crypto. What's the current price of TRX? What's the price since occur at this time in the TRX? And in this video I'm also talking about the biggest mistake of the TRX holder at this time friends. Please don't do this mistake at this time friends and be safe from loss friends. This video gonna be very special. Please keep watching this video till the end friends. And if you're new in my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Anyways, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the TRX. 0.141822 USD dollar is this time price of TRX. And if we talk about the price hits occur in the TRX, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the last 1 day price hit is only negative friends, except of the last 1 day, the last 1 hour, and the last 1 week price hit is going positive friends. Let's see the price chart for more details. What's going on in the TRX in the last 1 day friends. As you can see here, first of all I wanted to mention the places where the TRX holders do a biggest mistake on this time and on this time and also on this time friends. On this point the holders do a biggest mistake friends. What mistake they do? When they see the small falls occur in the TRX friends, when they see the small falls occur in the TRX, so they goes to market and they sell TRX at this time price. Absolutely, that's a bad time. That's the biggest mistake of TRX holder at this time price. No, it's not the best time to sell your coin. As you can see here, the whole changes also occur in negative friends, so that means that you are in the loss in the last 1 day friends. So you have to hold your coin. As you can see here, if you look the last 1 hour, so the last 1 hour price is positive friends, that means that they goes to upper friends. So now if you don't sell your coin on this time friends, so absolutely you in this time friends you are in the profit friends, because the TRX is now in the jumping upward friends, so you are in the profit. So please don't do this mistake at this time friends. It's time to hold. I know at this time the price change is negative friends, but it's time to hold because the pumping of the TRX are coming soon, very soon. That is why my suggestion for all of you that it's time to hold. What's your opinion? What's your prediction of TRX? My prediction is positive. I think that the big pump coming soon in TRX. That is why I'm asking you to hold. Please share your prediction in the comment box. And kindly friends, again I'm asking you to please subscribe Abby's Tech channel and like this video. Thank you so much.